Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming what's allowed. Check the airline's 24-hour cancellation and hold policies so you stay fully legal. Once done, compare refundable fares and free reservation windows to see which gives an itinerary without final payment. Make sure you have passport details and the exact travel dates ready. Airlines often require this for a hold. You're setting the groundwork to obtain a legitimate reservation option instead of trying to bypass payment. This avoids fraud and protects You proceed by using official tools. Choose the airline's hold or reserve feature when visible, selecting the shortest hold that meets your visa or proof of travel need. If holds aren't available, book a refundable fare and then cancel within the policy window to retain a printed itinerary or confirmation. Make sure refunds are processed per the carrier rules. Once you have a PNR and e-ticket status, download and save the itinerary PDF. These steps give you a valid, non-fraudulent document for authorities or planners. You finish by verifying the reservation. Call the airline to confirm the PNR and ask for written confirmation if the system's unclear. If the online hold didn't work, contact the airline or a reputable travel agent who can create a legitimate, refundable booking or hold for your needs. Do not use bogus documents. Make sure to keep screenshots, timestamps, and any cancellation receipts until everything is settled. If something goes wrong, escalate to the airline's support and keep records for dispute resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.